Now I am going to cover how to use resend emails when unopened. With this feature, people can engage the email. This approach helps you target the audience in unopened status with the same content. First, go to Gohighlevel sub account, then click marketing. Next, click emails, then campaign. You can see the email campaign page. Here you can create a new email by clicking new button. In this video, I already created email and going to use it to show you how to resend emails. In this email campaign list, you can see the record. At the right side of the record, you can see the three dots. Just click on it. It will show the menu list, which contains resend email to unopened. Just click it. It will show the pop-up window. Here you can schedule the date. And change the subject line. Then click confirm. Then it will be listed in the email campaign page. Resending is available within the default window of 12 hours to 10 days after sending the original email. This timing minimizes complaints and align with industry norms. Resending is not supported for batch schedule and RSS campaign. This is the way you can resend emails when unopened. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks.